All right, traders, it's Tim with Irvin. Hey guys, let me show you straightforward what this week is gonna do. I think it's time to make money, but I'm gonna break down every pair that I'm gonna show you. But bear with me. So the very first pair that we're gonna show you today, I'm gonna show you straightforward the answer. All right. So always pay attention. We're still gonna be using multiple time frames because I think it's very important for us to know exactly what's going on in the market. So always guys, always pay attention what 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. Just by looking at the dashboard, the dashboard will always give you the answer. Look at here, look at the dashboard. The dashboard is telling you the 4 hours and daily time frame on GBP JPY is already going in a buy trend. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to get this buy signal, how to get the sell signal. Look at it, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's like a wave. So I'm just gonna show you every movement so you can understand. Okay, so like I said, the dashboard is letting us know here that we are in a sell and a buy position based on the 4 hours and daily time frame. Right now we're gonna move to real data, real time, because that's how you and I make money. Look at here, let me shrink the candle so you can understand. Get ready for this week, guys, because the market is gonna give us a pullback. All we know, like I said, is market here is only going bullish. Look at here, multiple time frame is here, TWE sniper entry is here. Look at the stairs, boom, 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 boom. So the trend here is only going up. It's not saying that GBP JPY is in a sell. We getting a signal here saying, hey, get ready for a potential pullbacks. Look at this huge engulfing candle here, but overall the buyer's still in charge. This is my view on this particular pair, guys. What I'm seeing here, the market is still gonna be pushing up all the way, retesting this high here one more time. Then it's gonna give us a pullback because it's giving a signal as a pullback. Then overall market will come back in here. By then the week is over. What I'm seeing here is we're not gonna get a clear answer this coming week. The market is gonna be doing a build up right on this area before the huge drop comes, and then market is gonna resume back to business. Overall, GBP JPY is still in a buy trend. Get ready for a pullback. Another amazing pair that you are gonna be amazed this coming week, guys, is gonna be Euro USD. Look at the dashboard. I don't want to give you the real data yet because I want you to understand what you are looking for. Look at the dashboard. Always take a sneak peek of 4 hours in daily time frame. That is the secret, guys. And then you can enter on 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and so forth. Okay. Look at that. The daily time frame is saying that we are selling, right? Look at the 4 hours all the way to 1 minute, saying the market is going in a buy trend. That means, guys, just by looking at the dashboard, that means the 4 hours is doing a pullback against the sellers. The sellers are selling the market, right? So now let's go ahead and check the real data. I'm gonna make this video quick, guys, because I want you guys to understand. Okay, let me shrink the candle. The whole idea here is to make you understand. Look at the dashboard here. It's telling us that we're not sell position versus a buy, sell versus the buyers, right? Look at here. This is the original trend here. Market here is selling. Look at the huge trend here coming down. Boom. But look at what happened. Look at who came up in here. A pullback just showed up saying, hey, get ready for this coming week. Look at the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Stair 1, stair 2, stair 3, stair 4. So again, market here is only selling. So if it's selling, why is the 4 hours telling me that we are in a buy trend? That means the market is doing a pullback. How far is the pullback gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna retest this previous loss here. 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple touches in here, which is gonna be your 50 Fibonacci level, and then from there market is gonna touch back down our multiple time frame one more time, more retracement, and boom, market will continue on that sell position. Overall, Euro USD is getting ready for a very nice pullback as a buy position. All right, guys, let me know in the comment below if you have any question, if I'm going too fast, or if I'm missing one of your pair. Please let me know and I will make that video right away. Okay, all right, let's move on to the next pair of the week, and that is going to be USD JPY. Boom. Look at the dashboard. I'm not gonna give you the real answer yet, because that if I do give you the real answer, you're not gonna learn, right? Look at the dashboard. What is the 4 hours and daily time frame doing? Look at that. Just by looking that, you already got the answer. The answer saying is green. Green means the market is bullish. It's going up. It's in a buy position. Right? Now let's go ahead and check the real data real time, right? You tell me. You are here with me live. Look at this beautiful trend, guys. This is beautiful. Look at here. Multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entries here. Look at this beautiful stare. Boom, 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 boom. What is the original trend doing? You tell me. Boom. Look at that. It's amazing. Amazing. Look at what happened on Friday, guys. Look, this huge engulfing candle giving you a signal that we are getting ready for a beautiful pullback. Is it ready? Not yet. But this is what my opinion is, guys. Market is gonna come back and retest this previous low one more time, come back to the re-entry to the previous multiple time frame, and then boom, market will be giving us a pullback on USD JPYs, because the market has been bullish. Look at since when the market has been bullish. Market has been bullish since December 27, and we are in January, what, January 22nd. So market here is need to take a break. Market has been in a buy position almost for a month, so it need to take a break. So market is gonna get ready on USD JPYs as a sell position. What do you guys think, guys? Are you guys planning to take a trade on any of these particular pairs? Please let me know. If you guys want me to do a different video, guys, or you have a different point of view, also comment, let me know. Send me a private Telegram. The link is on the description, and I will be more than happy to really share with you more idea, so you can learn how to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips in the market. Once again, guys, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless the United States, and stay safe. Peace out. Boom. Let's go. Let's trade with 10 with Urban. Boom boom. Hasta la vista. Boom boom.